What are you even doing here?
Come on.
No, you come on. Your friend wants to hear this.
This isn't even why I'm here, all right? Here.
Oh, this is good. This is why you've come? Why I'm working nonetheless?
You need to quit. What are you going to tell Abby when she's old enough?
You're unbelievable. How dare you judge me? I provide for my daughter.
She's my daughter, too. I deserve a say in this.
No, you shouldn't. We're done, remember? Oh, is even the right amount?
It's a start. Yeah, well, at least I'm trying.
You need to leave. I have a client coming.
What kind of example are you setting here?
Oh, you should talk.
I'm actually...
You know what? Just go. Please. Take your trash with you.
When was the last time you got tested?
Fuck you. Fuck you.
That's all.
I can't believe you just said that! You said that.
Give me your head. Lower it. Get that.
¡Hey! ¡It's too much fur!
Te estás jodiendo, pendejo.
¡Tú, pendejo! Get off! ¡Bájate! ¡Bájate!
Deja de estar jodiendo, cabrón.
¡Bájate!
¿Qué estás haciendo? Hey, don't fuck with me venas, cabrón.
¡Bájate!
Bájate de aquí. Let go of my horse. Don't fuck with me venas.
¡No! ¡No! ¡Coges!
Hey, ¿de quién es este vato? ¡Hágase de aquí!
¡Ah! ¡Au! ¡Shane! ¡Shane! ¡Shane!
¡Hágase de aquí!
¡Oh! ¡Shane!
No vengas para atrás.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Pendejo, ¿qué sabes?
Let it shine, let it shine. Gonna hide it under a bushel. I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bushel. I'm gonna let it shine. A little bit louder. Hide it under a bushel. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
Uh-oh. Jimmy. Jimmy!
Bye, Jimmy.
Bye, Jimmy.
Mia, do you know this boy?
Maybe.
Rehearsal is over.
Let me ask you something. You know who I am? You don't know who I am, do you?
Nelson, right?
Mr. Nelson, that's right. But you haven't heard of me, have you?
Drink? No. No, I haven't heard of you, but I heard what you did, and that's why we're here, all right? I've got class in like 20 minutes.
Relax, Steve. I'm just giving you a hard time.
All right, well, just give me the check and I'll go.
Okay, you got it, tough guy.
It's not.